Gents, do we play at Benny's Burger Bar, Peter's Pizzeria, or Darius, your favorite one, Freddy's Fried Chicken? Oh. Yeah, it's a chicken place.
I don't know if I should tell you this before we start, Joseph.
What?
If you want to, in the the inventory thing, you can unequip your hair if you want.
Joseph, unequip your hair. Joseph, where you at?
I'm at the truck. He got a knife!
Ah!
That,
Oh,
you
shut up,
started-
chicken Penny.
where's
Ah, where's the fire extinguisher?
I got it. Don't worry about it. A chicken sandwich, dude. Oh, no, they left. God, I swear to Christ, if I miss that one,
Oh, damn.
who is starting so many fires?
I have no idea.
Order some chicken burgers.
Alright,
I got
I
it.
just
I got
ordered
it.
something.
My man.
Get delivered. Yeah.
give me the knife.
I'll grab
I'll
it.
go rob the truck driver.
Okay, let's put this here.
Darius out
Okay,
here.
he just drives over the sidewalk. He doesn't use the road.
Where is he even?
Chicken burgers. Go ahead and throw me 2 patties down.
All right, I f***ed up and didn't put the chicken
I got
burger
the-
on the tray.
I got the chicken burgers on the way. Give me a sec.
All right, we're cooking with fire
I'm
right
making
now.
the patties.
Joseph, I might punch you to death.
Ah.
Give me some fries.
Darius, find out if they're using the mobile app.
You guys using the mobile app?
I just crashed. That's unfortunate.
Not
I
much has
invite you
been
back.
lost. Alright, let's keep going, boys.
Out of time.
We earned 80 quid or whatever that is. What is that
10-11?
freedom unit?
I don't. Hey, Darius, beat him with this. Beat him with this.
We have
Nina, there's like
Zero
19 boxes in there.
where?
In the fucking truck.
grab it,
you
take
just
it.
ordered.
All right, I'm locked in. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure this
Yeah,
bitch doing
order
right.
2 of everything.
I think it's cooked.
Why?
Yeah,
Let's
it's
find
stuff
out.
like cooked.
Oh, I
Because he
fucking
ate it.
walked out. Hey, Darius, can you
No,
find
it's-
out? Can you find
No,
out if
Joseph,
any of
I
these
can't.
people
I'm
want this?
I'm stressing about how long we're gonna be open because Nina just spent all of our fucking money.
No.
Are you grilling the rat? Were you trying to grill the rat?
Maybe. Trying to teach him.
All right.
Hey, we got 34 seconds.
Joseph, I'm gonna kill him. Put it all together.
How do we have so little
I'm
time?
not doing it.
No,
The customer
don't-
wants fast food. He's gonna get fast food. There's a rat. I got him.
All right, I got it.
Who put the mouse on the table?
Zach
do that?
did.
Oh.
Snitches
I
get
need
stitches,
6,
Nina.
I need 6 basic bitch hamburgers.
This motherfucker stole my goddamn meat.
He stole the piece of bun.
Well, then maybe don't throw it on the floor. Nina.
Where is
How
he?
about
I'm
that?
stabbing him. Hey, bro, we got rats out the
There's
ass.
so many.
Yeah, bro, they are everywhere.
Put them in the trash can. Put them in the trash can.
Damn, bro, this is our delivery driver.
Shit.
Bro,
Nina's
we
so
got
lucky
3
fucking
rats
body.
right here. Oh god, the kitchen on fire, bro.
Oh god, oh god. The solitary one. Hang on, give me a second. Watch this. You ready? Here, you wanted a basic hamburger? Eat it. Bitch. Hope the customers don't mind floor cheese. Since I had to fight.
Oh.
Also, where?
Damn, Nina just stabbed the black man.
Nina, put
Another
me
one.
fire.
She's got. Hey, she's coming for me next. I'm out. Figure we.
Wait,
have
what's
a-
in the fridge? Get the f out.
It's just hot.
All right, that's why I'm gonna show a lesson.
No. What do you mean by that?
Don't worry about it.
They're not as
Zach,
good.
no.